Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Fit 2 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the widgets on this device. What I mean by widgets: if you wake up the screen on your device and then on the main screen, on the watch face, start swiping left or right on the screen, you will see the widgets. You have health summary, exercise, stress, weather I believe, timer and stop, and wash hands reminder, and of course notifications. And we can customize this list. To do it, we need to open the Galaxy wearable app on our phone. In the app we need to scroll down, and here we have option called widgets. Tap on it, and as you can see here we have the list of widgets. And what we can do with it, basically we can add or remove some widgets. To add more widgets, basically scroll down and we have a list called add widgets, and here we have more widgets. As you can see, we can add some by tapping on the plus button next to one like this, and once you tap save you should see more widgets on the list right here. Let me see. Yep, here we have heart rate and date. Okay, let's go back. We can also remove the widgets from the list simply by tapping on minus button next to them like this, and when you tap save they will be gone from the list of widgets like this. And another thing we can do is basically change the order on the list. As you can see, the health summary is first. When you swipe left it's gonna be first on the list right here, and we can basically move it, for example, to the last position. So it's to do it, my bad, to move this you need to press and hold on the sort button next to the widget you want to move like this, and then you can drag it through the list to the position you want it to be. I'm just gonna move it to the button like this, and then tap save. And now when I open the widget list, as you can see, the health summary is gonna be at the end. And that's how you can customize the widgets on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.